G'day there and welcome back. This class we're going to review the use of other and another with vocabulary related to animals. But before getting the show on the road, I'm going to give you a little tip on how to use other and another. Another is generally only used in the singular because when you think about it, we're saying an other, which is singular. Another book, another car, another bike, un otro. Okay, but other can be used in the singular when we're talking about something specific, the other book on the table, not this book, or in the plural. Other books, the other cars, etc., etc. So let's get the show on the road. The first one. Los osos son más peludos que la mayor parte de otros animales. Bears are furrier than most other animals. Me importa un bledo si lo haces un día sí y otro no. I don't give a rat's ass if you do it every other day. Mira, veo otro nido en aquel árbol. Look, I can see another nest in that tree. No atropellaron a este cachorro. Fue el otro. This puppy dog wasn't run over. It was the other one. Ella va a tomar otra pastilla porque está ronca. She's going to take another pill as she's hoarse. He oído otro refrán. A quien madruga, Dios ayuda. I've heard another saying. The early bird catches the worm. ¿Tenéis otro pájaro con las plumas más brillantes? Do you have another bird with brighter feathers? Quiero que cuides de los otros ratones, no estos. I want you to look after the other mice, not these ones. Or I want you to take care of the other mice, not these ones. Okay, great. How did you go? Continue practicing until you can get them all right. See you again next time. Bye for now.